Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Look at these incredible websites. Aren't they just stunning? What really makes them pop is their full screen hero section with a gorgeous video background. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create one for yourself. In WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins, click on Add New and search for Depicter. There it is, install and activate it. Now go to Depicter. Click Create a Blank and select Hero section. Next, choose the full screen layout and hit Create Slider. Go to Videos. You can pick one from the endless selection of stock videos available, but for now I've prepared a video of my own. Let's drag and drop it right next to the border to set it as the hero section background. Add a heading text and edit it. Add a button and edit it. Give it a border, enable the hover styles and change the colors. Now let's add the main title of the hero section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Alright, last but not least, I want to make a vertical arrow here. So from shapes, add a line. I also want a text that says scroll down. And finally, a scroll down indicator to complete my arrow. I'm also adding a social media icon. Go ahead and make the final touches. Play around a little bit. Let's see the preview. Wow, I love how this turned out. Now it's time to publish and add it to your website. Here's how. In Elementor editor, I'm just gonna delete this container and add a new one instead. Then add the Depicter widget to it and choose the hero section that you just created. With the section selected, I'll adjust the positioning by giving it a negative margin so it aligns perfectly with the header. And that's it. Publish. Oh my goodness, the hero section looks absolutely stunning. Today you've learned how to create an eye-catching video hero section in just minutes using Depicter. Before you go, claim this free coupon to get Depicter Pro. Yes, you heard that right, free. Make sure to leave a comment below letting everyone know you've claimed it because otherwise the Pro version will vanish. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.